Guys, I just want to show us a quick video how I'm going to make this yam porridge. So it does. I've already blended the tomatoes, the fresh tomatoes, onions, and my crayfish. So I'm supposed to you can use dry fish on it. It's very delicious when you use dry fish, but I don't have dry fish right now, so I'm going to use what I have, and I'm going to just make it quick and easy for us to do right away this morning. And it's going to be lunch for my kids, so they're going to take it to school. So it's not everyday rice, spaghetti, and doubt. So we are going to make this yam porridge. So guys, let's dig into it right away, and we're going to make it super faster. Okay, let's go. Both take someone help me to hold the camera. Let's start right away. So just blend everything together. You can get all this thing from Africa store. So you can get it from Africa stores. The yam, the crayfish. You can get the fresh, their own blended crayfish. Blended one, you can get it. Pepper, everything you need, you can get in African stores. Stove on already, so I'm going to turn the blended tomatoes to the pot. So let's start boiling. I'm just going to peel my the yam right away. So we're going to make everything super fast. Everything super fast right now. So let this be boiling. Can you shift close that to me? So this is a yam. You can get this in Africa stores. See, this is how you can peel it out. Water. Okay, I'm going to put another one now. Okay, we're going to add the yam now. I've peeled all the yam and then I slice it. We're going to add it to the pot now. Let everything done together. Everything cooked together. Everything cooked together. Just cut it like you because I just want it to be fast, to be very fast. That's my toilet stick. And I'm going to add palm oil. We're going to use palm oil on it. Just red oil we're going to use. So and seasoning powder and salt. That's all we need. So I just want to give it a 3 minutes, let it boil out first before I add those things to it. They're now all fine and still. Salt and the seasoning powder and oil, like the palm oil and the vegetable leaf. That's all the last. That's the things we're going to add to it. Okay, so we're just going to add this is a seasoning powder, salt. Too much salt. And this is my vegetable leaf, fresh vegetable leaf, kale leaf. I slice it and I put it inside the freezer. So anytime I want to use it, then I can take from it. This is my vegetable leaf, kale leaf. Back into the freezer. Then I had my palm oil. So we are going to wait like about 10 minutes. All will be done. Like be well cooked. All will be cooked. Just 10 minutes, guys. Guys, it smells so good. Oh, wow. So it's ready. Hey guys, we have our yam porridge is well cooked and ready for us to eat right now. So this is Rozzy Kitchen. If you are just popping in, welcome back to my channel. And for my old subscriber that keep coming back, thank you guys for always sticking around. And for you that is just popping into this channel, this is Rozzy Kitchen and thank you for coming. Please like, subscribe, press at the notification button, and anytime I upload a new video you'll be notified. Thank you. And guys, please, you know I always tell you guys to always try my recipe out. Go and try it out, then you can know what the good thing that this channel is all about. Go and try it out, then you can thank me later. Bye.